this video, we're going to go over how to foam roll the mid to upper back.
Foam rolling is a method used to self-massage the muscles surrounding the spine and helps mobilize the spine as well. If you are feeling stiff in the mid to upper back, tight and or sore, try this exercise out. Remember, avoid foam rolling the neck region and low back region.
To get started, have the formula behind you. Remember, we don't foam roll the low back, so I'm going to start it on the mid back. I'm going to cross my arms, feet flat, push my hips up toward the ceiling, core is engaged. I'm going to slowly roll through my mid back. Slow rolling is better than fast rolling. If you have a really sore spot, you can hang out on that spot for about 5 seconds and then continue rolling. Maybe find another sore spot and you can hang out there as well. For those of you that may find this a little bit painful, if we have a bony spinous process, okay, and if that is the case for you, just roll to the side and then you can continue rolling so you're more on the tissue instead of the bone. To get to the upper back, what you're gonna do is just push your hips up higher towards the ceiling, and you can place your hand on your head if that's more comfortable for you, and continue.